Start.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Sushil. Today's my topic is modernization. So, firstly, I started gadgets. Now we are using smartphone and smart TV. Like our whole environment is smart uh, because all people are using these gadgets, and but it is not for health necessities just because our eyes is damaged because we always using mobile phone, TVs, and my eyes and also body is very unhealthy,
Becoming.
becoming unhealthy. Gadgets take our life as much easy because when I am hungry, so I ordered food, fast food, and whenever I bored, so I on Netflix and chill the whole my mood.
Okay.
So gadgets are always doing life is so easy just because life it's become to a hard work, want to hard work, but gadgets we use. So life is so simple and doing well
Okay.
just because we use gadgets. Uh, so my suggestion is gadgets are used daily, but it it's time to time.
Okay.
First of all,
Should use.
we should use to gadgets for education. Uh, just like when I miss my class, so I want to
Revise.
revise online classes.
Mhm.
So improve my skills and gadgets must be used. So thank you so much.
Yeah.